Hello everyone, welcome to this Java programming tutorial on strings. This is a tutorial for beginners, so I will explain everything in detail and provide some Java coding examples. Strings are composed of a sequence of characters. To declare and initialize a string, you would type static string hello world and then set the value equal to hello world in quotations and end it with a semicolon. We are typing the keyword static here because this is a class variable. In the Java programming language, strings are objects. An object is an instance of a class. Strings are instances of the java.lang.string class, and strings are immutable, which means that once you create a string, you cannot change the value. However, the string class does have methods that you can use to create and return a new string. We will go over some of the string class methods within this tutorial. One of the methods within the string class is used to find out the length of a string. The length of a string is the number of characters within the string. You could type int space letter count and set the value equal to hello world dot length open and close parentheses semicolon. We could then print this value to our console, system.out.println, and then within the parentheses, hello world plus quotations space is a string class object that contains space quotations plus letter count plus quotations space characters period quotations, and in that statement with the semicolon. Characters include all of the letters, punctuation, and spaces within the string. The string hello world has 12 characters. Our next topic is concatenating strings. You have seen an example of this within our program already. Here we are concatenating the hello world string, a string that contains the text is a string class object that contains our letter count integer, and a string that contains space characters period. Using the plus sign operator is a common and easy way of concatenating. The string class also has a format method that allows you to create a formatted string that you can reuse. For example, string C, set the value equal to string.format, open parentheses hello world, plus quotations space is a string class object with space quotations plus letter count plus quotations space characters period quotations close parentheses semicolon, and then system.out.println and then within the parentheses C. And this is what that would print out. To convert an integer to a string, you may use the toString method of the integer class. We would type string d and set that equal to integer.toString and then within parentheses letter count. Then type system.out.println and within parentheses D. This is what the result would be on our console. All number subclasses have a toString method. The string class has an accessor method, char@, which allows you to get the character at a specified index within your string. The index starts at 0. With 0 being the location of the first character within your string. For example, in hello world, h is at the 0 index. The index ends with the length of your string minus 1. We previously found the length of hello world string to be 12, so the index will end at 11, meaning that our exclamation point is at the index 11. If you wanted to find out which character is located at index 4, you would type char e and set the value equal to hello world.char@, and parentheses 4. And then if you wanted to convert the char back into a string, you could type string f equals character dot toString, and then within the parentheses e. So in the first line we are finding out which character is located at index 4 within the hello world string. And on the second line here we are converting the char back into a string. Let's print out both of those. And they are both O. The first O is a char and the second O is a string object. The string class has another method called substring that you can use to access multiple consecutive characters within a string. String rolled equals hello world dot substring parentheses 6 comma 11 close parentheses semicolon system.out.println and the word world within the parentheses. And when we print this out, we get the word world. This substring method will get the substring that extends from index 6 up to but not including index 11. So basically the characters located at index 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, which in our case spell the word rolled. The string class has methods 2 lowercase and 2 uppercase. These are pretty self-explanatory. The first converts all of the characters within the string to lowercase, while the latter converts all of the characters within the string to uppercase. String class also has a method called trim to remove leading and trailing white space, and this can be quite useful. There are many more string methods, but to go over them all would make this tutorial too long. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment, and thank you for watching this Java tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel, Bootstrap CSS Girl.